Coordination on the 26th of September. I've been trying to come and thank him for finding time to come. So this is an opportunity for me because I came for the Daily Trust dialogue. So it's an opportunity for me to come and thank him and to tell him that we are very happy with what is happening in the country.
That's great, Kabiyesi. But high up there, you've been sitting, observing what has been going on in the country. What has been your observation of his style of governance?
No, if you know from where he's coming, you will know that he knows what he's doing. That is what is most important. He was coming. He was able to get Lagos from where it was to where he left it. So I'm sure that the situation in Nigeria might not have been as even bad as it was. The problem is that the Nigeria is more complex than the state because of the fact that not all of us have the same notion about what we want in Nigeria. So, but nonetheless, the states have more money than we had when we were governors, and they are able to meet their commitments than what we had when we were governors. So I believe that by and large, the economy has to be fixed, and it's being fixed. We will hope that by the time it's leaving 2031, we will have put Nigeria where all of us will be proud of.
Okay, Kabi, is there any advice regarding what people are still expecting from him? What do you advise him to do?
Well, we expect the president to work more on we expect the government to work more on the situation of the food. We expect them to look at the situation of health. We should have standard hospitals where we can treat our people. But the major problem we really now have is the problem of insecurity. Farmers find it difficult to go to their farms. And it is already coming to the south also. So everybody is apprehensive of going to the farm. Everybody is apprehensive of going about their daily business. I don't think it is insurmountable, but by and large, we believe that the president is tackling it correctly now.
Okay,